Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about WordPress. In this video, I'm gonna be share with you how to install a plugin in your WordPress website. There is two way to install plugin in your WordPress website. First of all, you have to go your WordPress admin dashboard. If you don't know how to log in your admin dashboard, then please check the description. Already I have made a video about how to log in your admin dashboard. First of all, you have to go plugin and then click on add new plugin, and look at that, here is lots of plugin. So I want to install the plugin which name is contact form 7. Contact form 7. And as you can see, here is contact from 7 plugin. To install the plugin, please click on install now. After a few seconds, it installed already. The plugin installed, and click on activate. Already the plugin is installed and activate. It's the first way to install plugin. The second way is click on add new plugin and click on upload plugin, and now click on choose file. Select the zip file and open it. Already I have chose this plugin. To install the plugin, click on install now, and after a few seconds it will be installed. Already the plugin installed successfully. To activate the plugin, click on activate plugin, and now it's installed. Look at that, it's WP form, and look at that, here is contact form. So thank you so much.